전문 장례식장에 되어 있나 자리?
Tragedy struck South Korea Monday when at least 8 students were killed and 15 seriously injured after an auditorium roof collapsed on university freshmen during a college orientation. More than 10 people were feared trapped as heavy snow reportedly hampered rescue operations. According to an anonymous official at the state-run National Emergency Management Agency, 58 other students received minor injuries after the collapse late Monday. Local media reported that the heavy snowfall may have resulted in the collapse, but the cause is still being investigated. About 1,000 students from Busan University of Foreign Studies gathered for freshman orientation at a resort in Jeongju, and more than 500 were in the auditorium when the roof collapsed. Jill Craig, Associated Press.